top of the morning to you. It's TGIW. TGIW. Day of the week. Hump day. We're out here down in Delacroix. I thought the top was going to be a lot higher. We're going out in the Bay Flat Junior. Today I got Andrew with me right here. And we got William coming across the street. We're going out to see if we catch a few fish. Big Don had a mix up. He's coming out here. He's going to meet me at the booth. There's Mr. William up front, aka one of the pack two. Mr. Andrew back here. Going out to catch some fishies down here in Delacroix. We're all set. Got a couple clouds out. Not too bad. It's a little mild temperature this morning. Water temp's 83.4. Oh, he's got the bottom. False alarm, he's got the bottom. Felt good though. Didn't it feel good for a while, Andrew?
Yeah, felt good.
Fight that bottom, Andrew. Alright folks, we're sitting over here in the drum hole just waiting for Don to show up. He's going to call me when he gets here. Fish is there, gaff top, folks. Yep, hardy head. So we got a gaff top and a hardy head. Woo, whipped him right in, man.
There you go, baby. Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
Hold them up, man. Let me get a shot of them.
Oh.
That's fisher person of the day right there, baby. Andrew, get him, man. Got to measure him and see if he's 16. Freshwater cat, Will. We're doing the Oak River Troll here, catching catfish. At least that's a hard head, okay. We got a crab over here, folks. We in some action here. Just caught a red.
A little puppy drum.
A little puppy drum. There you go. There we got a little variety going. Bomb man got some action, folks. We don't know what it is. It ain't diving. Might be one of them manta rays.
Oh, big red.
Big red?
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe too big. Yeah.
There he is. Ooh, that's the drum. That's the drum, baby. Fish of the day. Fish of the day. Move your net, bro. Net, move your net. Let it come up, it'll come up. Fish of the day.
Big ugly.
Woo, biggie.
Big ugly one, boy.
That's a biggie.
Gotta tire themselves out a little bit.
Oh my God, then you give him the box. Y'all need some fish to eat. Oh yeah. He's ready. I will.
Okay, get under his head. Under his head. Bring him back around. Right under his head. Under his head.
You ain't netting my fish, brother. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay, man. Come on, right under his head. Come around. There you go. As soon as he turns, you get under his head. There, just like that. There you go.
He's big a net. Fish of the day, folks. Fish of the day. There it is. Woohoo!
Boom, boom.
All right, folks, we got species change. We got a croaker here. We're back to doing the Oak River Troll in spot number 14. Before we move on. Croaker! Croquette! Good sign, folks.
Oh, that's it?
I don't know if you see a crab swimming with the water. But he's swimming with the water right there. Little crab. Good sign. Water's coming in. True tide. We should be knee deep in trout. Only thing is, it's dirty water. All right, we're in the Fisher Person of the Day tournament now. Whoever catches 3 fish wins. My bow man up there, Big Don's got one, so he's 1-0. Woo. If it's a crab, it don't count, Don. Gotta be a fish.
Oh, the crab is gonna be the biggest crab you ever seen. Whoa,
What? Pulling. What?
Oh, he might be a little bigger than you think.
I think it's gonna be a big gaff top.
What?
Big gaff top. Yeah, big gaff top.
Big trout, we'll all be excited.
Yeah.
Oh, gaff toppy.
Tell you, boy.
That's the gaff top of the day, though.
You get popped on one of those, woo, you'd be crying.
All right, folks, they're excited now. They're trying to get Fisher Person of the Day. Score is 1-0-0. I'm too hot to fish. Oh, he's got another one. Big Don got another one. 2-0-0, folks. 2-0-0.
And I'll count.
2-0-0.
That hook, man. Come on.
Will's got one. If he gets it in the boat, it'd be 2-1-0. Come on, Will, get him in the boat. This is the person of the day we're fishing for. This is a nice one here, Will.
You got him?
What you got, Will? What the heck you got, Will?
A big ass catfish.
Yep, another gaff top. 2-1-0, folks. 2-1-0. All right, folks, soon to be 2-1-1. Soon to be. We're still trying to get that fish off. Watch the wild man. Watch the wild man. Oh, everybody's tangled up now. All right, folks, we're in number 6. Over here with catching catfish. Score is 2-1-1. These two guys are tangled up. Gives William a chance to jump out and lead here. All right, folks, it's 2-2-1 if Willie gets this fish. There he is, folks. Oh, that ain't a catfish either. Oh, no, that's it. Big croaker. Big croaker. Come on, Will, you got to get back. Come back. Oh, Andrew's got a fish. Is now, if he gets in, it'll be 2-2-2, and it is a catfish.
More like
It is a catfish. 2-2-2. One more fish. Anybody gets one more fish, they fish a person of the day. Oh, it came off. It came off. Oh, Bowman's got one. Bowman's got one. Be 3-2-2, folks. 3-2-2. Oh, now we're going for second place.
Right, like I really don't count, man.
We're fishing for second place here. Ooh, between Andrew and Will.
Pablo would have beat us all, man. He'd be throwing live shrimp.
Will trying too hard. Missed me in first place by one fish. Here he comes, folks. Whoa, it's a midnight catfish. Not a hardhead.
That might be the smallest fish I've ever seen.
Hey, it works.
Fish a fish.
That's it, brother.
I'd rather quality over quantity.
First place is Big Don. Second place is Big Andrew. And we're still waiting for AKA one of the pack 2 to catch his third fish. All right, well, if you catch a redfish or a trout, you wipe them all out, bro.
You up, man. I don't.
You jump on top.
Oh, pulled it out.
Oh, he missed him. He missed him. Andrew had another one. Big Will got a fish here. Oh, if it's a trout, he takes over the lead. If it's a red, he takes over the lead.
Oh, change. Come on. Change. Oh, man, the reel falling apart. He's
I don't know what's
got
wrong
all
with
kind of
his reel.
stuff going on. Reel unhooked on.
Yeah, it's got to.
Needs to be tightened up.
Yeah, that's all it needs to be done.
All right, you got.
That looks like a catfish. Oh, it's biggest catfish in the day.
Look at those, man.
I go for size. I don't go for.
Oh, okay. Our man took over Don's spot. He's laying them out up there.
Oh.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh. Will's got a hard hit, folks. All right, folks. Now we're having the North Shore High School fish off right here. Whoever catches the first 3 fish is the fisher person of the North Shore High School. Here we go. Got to get it in the boat. This is from North Shore High School, fisher person of the day. He's got one. Leander's got one. He's a little handicapped getting them off, but he's learning. Soon to be 1-1, folks, to the race to 3. We're on a race to 3. The score is 1-1. This is on. Get him in the boat, Will.
I do this.
There you go. North Shore High Fishing Person of the Day. The score is 1-2. Williams got the lead. Look out. Pressure's on up front. Oh, no count, no count. Wasn't a fish, it was an oyster.
We got a rock.
False alarm, crew. He had an oyster shell. So there's still 1-2. Big Williams leading, needs one more, and he'll be North Shore's Fisher Person of the Day. There it is. Oh, that boy's on him now. He don't miss him. He's got the best pole out here. Get him, Will. The winning fish. Woo! Ding, ding, ding. Will's got another one, folks. Oh, crab. Look at this.
Crab.
Size of that crab.
Look at that, boy.
Whoa.
One, man.
Will catches everything.
Man, that cost you $5 at the sea.
All right, folks. Big Andrew's up front. He's got him a fishy. It's a catty, but it's a fishy. A little hard-headed, too.
Yes, man.
Will got the last fish of the day, folks.
The North Shore Fisher Person of the Day.
We're going to show you how to flip the catfish, folks. Will's got this down pat as soon as he gets it out of his leg. Stretch it out like that. There it goes, just like that. Let's roll, guys.